So, yep. Now we've put on the front piece. So, yeah, and my dad's just
tightening them up.
touching it up. And here's Ben, just playing with a basketball. Watch out, Ben. And what we're going to be putting on next, hopefully, will be this. We'll just hopefully get off these white pieces. Yeah.
Looks alright, eh?
Yep, that's great.
Red one on there.
So, yep, tight.
Okay.
So what are we going to be putting on next?
Well, we've got to pull these sections off. So if you look over here, there's just screws that hold it on.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mhm.
Easy as. At least the seat's in good nick, eh?
Yep. We're going to be putting that back on soon at the end.
Yep. So there you go, it's one of the green fairings.
It's just over here. How's the show going?
How's the show going? Who's that nut bar up there?
It's Lockie. So, yep.
Haha, shame he just dropped all his Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
There's the other fairing. Yeah, Lockie, the door. There's Yu-Gi-Oh cards. And there's Ben just still playing with his basketball.
Alright. I think you're a bit close, dude. Can you,
Yes, I got it in!
Oh, one more screw. Benny, you're gonna break the chainsaw up there, dude.
There's our mini little quad that we were talking about in our last video.
Yep.
It's a Suzuki as well, just like this. As you can see, we have put on this. It just came yesterday. Anyways, we're back to Dad. He's taking off all the stuff.
Yeah, I think I've got to take off the white ones as well. I think I gotta get
And there goes Lockie.
Hey, don't look at me.
What is Lockie doing?
Hey, hey. The couch I got.
Yep. What is Lockie doing? He is trying to get something by the looks of it. Yes, I can see Lockie's trying to get the basketball. So here's Dad. He's done all this. He's taken off this.
Yeah, we'll just give it a bit of a blow.
Give it a blow.
It's gonna look good, man. Alrighty. So the that there is going to look very cool, I think.
There's Ben having a fight with his older brother.
Yes.
I got that from me.
No.
This is not a basketball bin.
Yeah, so I'm thinking we might pause it for now so that we don't have to listen to arguments. And then when we get back to it, this will all be together. Cheers.
So yep, as you know that we've put it back together now. And this is what it's going to look like, and we're just going to put it back on the bike.
Yep. Alright.
Hopefully it'll fit.
Yep, chuck it on. Yeah, so there's sort of a quick look at it, and then I'll get it sort of sitting right and go from there. Alright, sweet. Right. Alright, we're back at it, and we've got all the fairing on, and last piece for today is just like Josh's bike. We got one of the red Pro Tapper bar thingamajigs. Bar pad. Yeah, so we're going to chuck this on, and then it should complete. Lachlan, dude. Frustrating, man. Honestly. Alright, so
Hopefully we can get this on.
hold on, dude. I made it up, man. Joshy.
Yeah.
I made it up. Are you right?
Yeah.
Are you right?
Yeah.
Or do I made it up? Good.
So yep, Dad's just going to do it.
Poppy, pass it to me. Go. Try get off me then.
Alright.
Pass, go. Oh, I didn't want to be. Try get off me. Try get off me. No, please. I'll be easy. I'll just go easy on you. See, that's hard. I just want to. This can is on.
So that's sort of. What do you reckon?
So yep,
Sort of completes the look, eh?
yep. I think the green fairing looked a little bit better. Hopefully when the sticker kit comes, it'll look a little bit better. So yep. Is that it?
Yeah.
So yep, thanks for watching. Make sure, and yep, we've just, if you want to watch us racing, we've got another video. Yep.
Alright. So yeah, we've got sticker kit coming. Everything will be cool. Alright. Everyone, say goodbye.
Bye.
So thanks for watching.